In Chapter 3 of our Most Important Door report, we look at early decision policies, which require students to choose a door before they know if they can afford to open it. While a seemingly innocuous strategy for predicting and meeting enrollment goals, early admissions deadlines and early decision deadlines have created a tiered approach that advantages applicants with the most resources. Students who submit early decision applications receive a boost in their admissions chances because they can apply early in the admissions cycle to one institution, a luxury many students from low-income backgrounds don't have. IHEP's analysis of common dataset data reveals that in 2019, there is a 10 percentage point gap in acceptance rates for early admissions and regular decision applicants at highly selective public colleges. Nearly 2/3 of students who applied to highly selective public institutions via early admissions deadlines were accepted, compared with more than just half of students who applied via regular decision deadlines. We recommend that institutions eliminate early decision by no longer offering binding early decision deadlines that require students to accept an offer of admission without the opportunity to compare financial aid packages. We also recommend that institutions with these policies use their own data to better understand how early admissions deadlines impact equity on their campus.